My name is Timba Heat, and in this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called Jazzy Suzy. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight into it. Let's start it off with somos uno. Here we go. 5, 6, somos uno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. One more. Y 1, 2, 3. Jazzy Suzy. Alright, so like this, so we're going to cross with the left leg on the 1. Open up with the left again on 2. Cross on 3. Keep that way in the left leg. Suzy Q with the right foot. Suzy Q. Now, from here, Suzy Q again with the left leg. Suzy Q. And now cross with the right on 5. Open up 6. Cross 7. Then somos uno. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try again. Here we go. Jazzy Suzy. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 y 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me in the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, y back to the video. Alright guys, so the main thing about this move is honestly balance. Just making sure to balance on that one foot for the cross so that you can switch it much faster for that Suzy Q. Vice versa, you're here, crossing, balancing on that one foot, alright? It's going to make things much easier for you, and then the transition will be much easier as well, alright? So, let's try this in halftime with music, and then we'll do it at full speed, alright? Here we go! 5, 6, 7, somos uno, y 1, 2, 3, Jazzy Suzy, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, somos uno, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, double time, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 y 1. Here we go. Jazzy Suzy. 1, 2, 3. Suzy Q. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Somos uno. 1, 2, 3. 5. One more time. Get ready. 5, 6. Jazzy Suzy. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude us for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.